frustrated? That's probably why you're here. We're here to run you through our Dometic Control Center 2 thermostat. It's been known for its ease of operation, and Dometic's been known for its reliability throughout the years. Come inside and we'll show you how it works. First thing we'll do with our Dometic Control Thermostat is turn on our power button. That will actually light up our screen, our LCD screen, with a blue indigo light. To get any of our operations working, we'll have to hit it a second time. In doing so, we'll see the off come up on the screen. To change it from off to any of the settings that we want to use, we'll use our mode button. We'll press our mode button. That will bring us to cool first. That will use our Dometic rooftop air conditioner. If we want to change any of our fan speeds, we'll use our fan button. That will change from automatic to low to medium or high. Now it's important to know if you're going to set it to high, medium, or low that it's going to constantly run. If you set it to auto, it will get to temperature and it will shut itself off. Or you hit the mode button again, it will bring us to our auto setting. Our automatic setting, depending on how we set the temperature, which we will set by using the up and down arrow keys to the right here. Depending on how we set that temperature, it will either kick on our air conditioner setting for our AC unit, or it will actually turn on the heat strip function. So the heat strip function will allow us to use heat that comes from the Dometic rooftop air conditioner. Again, we can change our fan settings by going from automatic, low, medium, high. If we hit our mode button again, that will bring us to the heat strip function. So the heat strip function will allow us just to use the heat that will come from the air conditioner. We can change from auto to medium to high to low again with our fan button. If we hit our mode button, again we'll get to our fan setting. The fan setting will move around the air that is currently inside of the coach. And lastly, we can get right back to our off setting. If we bring ourselves to the off setting here and then hit the power button, that will immediately shut everything down. Another great feature with this Dometic thermostat control is that you can program any of your systems to come on. So whether that be our air conditioner, our heat strip, or our fan, if we set our clock appropriately, we can then program it to come on at certain times of the day. And then lastly, over here on the right-hand side, we have our inside temp, which if we press that button, it will tell us our inside temperature. And then if we don't want our degrees Fahrenheit, we can change that to degrees Celsius.